these kinds of conversations, but to have them in a way that leads to solutions, very practical, immediate solutions. For example, taking walks with one another, or having opportunity to talk to each other about the things that are important to you. These are things that often come up in family mediations.
Yes, I agree with you. Have you any chance to mediate school conflict? Sound. Yes.
So I've mediated school conflicts not only between teachers and principals, but also designed conflict resolution programs for very small children that consist of very simple questions for children, their parents, their teachers, to all ask the same questions. For example, what happened? What is it that you want? What are you doing in order to get it? Is that working? What is something you might do differently? Just questions like that. And it's quite wonderful to watch children mediate their own conflicts with each other. It's very powerful. What it does is it produces a kind of collaboration, a kind of partnership and friendship between the children, because they've discovered a new skill that enables them to become friends with each other or to play with each other, and at the same time have ways of talking about the places where they're unhappy. Schools are, we hope, places in which learning takes place. But one of the things that we most have to learn is how to get along with each other, not just globally, but locally as well. So what I believe, using a physical analogy, is that conflicts are organized fractally, as fractals, meaning that they are self-similar on all scales. So there is something similar.
Yes, I see,
about
I understand.
children
Like
playground.
exponent. Yes? Oh, hyperbola. Hyperbola, exponent, yes. Similar to itself.
Yes. So if you look at, for example, a coastline, you can see that it is very similar in nature on large scales and small scales, or a cloud, the edge of a cloud. And the same is true with conflicts. So the heads of nation states have similar approaches to conflict as children do on playgrounds. So we can use similar mechanisms. We have to translate from one level to another, but we can still use similar mechanisms. Listening, empathy, discussing the problems, brainstorming solutions. All of these things work regardless of the level that the conflict takes place on.
Yes, cross competition is very useful in conflict resolution.
Yes.
Dr. Kenneth,